Hello on magroswelt. In this video I'll take you on a short tour of Sal, one of the Cape Verde islands. We start in the capital Espargos, a vibrant city of 7,000 inhabitants with a lot of street arts. At our second stop in Palmeira, we visited some charming shops and watched the fishermen at work in the harbor. Buracona is a small rocky cove and lagoon in the north of the island, perfect for swimming. In the lagoon is a cave called Blue Eye, where the sunlight filtering through the water creates a blue column of light. On the way to Pedra de Lume, we stopped on the stark landscape of Terra, where you can witness the fascinating Mirage, a Fata Morgana. We had time for lunch before heading to Pedra de Lume, salt flats for a swim. Just what we needed after lunch. The last stop on our tour was the Viveiro Botanical Garden on the way back to Santa Maria. It's a green paradise, home to endemic plants thanks to sustainable irrigation and a few animals. hope you enjoyed it. Thanks also to TUI Amusement for the organization. Maybe see you later on my channel. Bye bye.